Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you are all fine. This is your science class and we are doing chapter 1 from cells to organisms. The topic for today's discussion is difference between animal and plant cell. So in last lecture we have discussed about nucleus, cell membrane and cytoplasm of plant and animal cell. So today we will talk about remaining structure or remaining parts which is present in plant and animal cell, or what are the differences between both cells. So today we will discuss about chloroplast, cell wall and vacuole. The first thing which we are going to discuss is chloroplast. Students, if we talk about the function of chloroplast, then we all know that it helps plant to carry photosynthesis. So chloroplast is a green pigment and it helps plants to do the function of photosynthesis. So we can say chloroplasts are disc-like structures which contain a green pigment, and that green pigment is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps light. The function of chlorophyll is to trap light from sun so that plants can carry out photosynthesis. Due to formation of food through the process of photosynthesis is a very unique character of plants which is not present in animals. That's why plants are known as producers, because they can prepare their own food with the help of this chloroplast through the function of photosynthesis. So students, chloroplast is present in plant cell. This green disc-like structure, this is green because of pigment which is chlorophyll, and chlorophyll traps light so that plants can carry out photosynthesis. But this chloroplast is absent in animal. Chloroplasts are not present in animal cell because animals do not carry out photosynthesis. Now students, if we talk about second structure, that is cell wall. And we all know that cell wall is the outer, strong and stiff boundary of a cell which maintains the shape of a cell. Here you can observe that cell wall is present in plants. Cell wall is a strong and stiff structure which supports a plant cell and gives it a regular shape. And in plants, this cell wall is made up of cellulose. But here in animal cell you can observe there is no cell wall present. The third part for discussion is vacuole. If we talk about plant cell, then we can say that vacuole almost fills the entire plant cell. This whole large portion which is filling the central space of this plant cell is known as vacuole. It contains cell sap, that is aqueous material which keeps the cell firm by taking in water. But in animal cells, vacuoles are small. These yellow structure and bodies are vacuoles. So vacuoles are small and numerous in an animal cell. But in plant cell, vacuole is large and there is only one central large vacuole. So vacuoles are small and numerous in an animal cell and they contain food, water, waste materials and other substances. So this is the difference between chloroplast of plant and chloroplast of animal cell. That plant cell contain only cell sap, but animal cell contain vacuoles which have food, water, waste materials and other substances. So students, in today's lecture I have explained the function of chloroplast, cell wall and vacuole in plant and animal cell and their differences. If you find any difficulty in this lecture, you can ask me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.